Hey there, today I'm going to walk you through starting an LLC in Michigan, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. To start, let's talk about why Michigan is a good state to start your LLC in. Michigan actually offers some pretty compelling advantages for business owners. This state has been working hard to create a business-friendly environment with reasonable filing fees and straightforward formation processes. Plus, you've got access to major markets, a skilled workforce, and some fantastic business resources through organizations like the Michigan Economic Development Corporation. Now, let me share the easiest way to get your LLC up and running, and that's by using Taylor Brands. The truth is, while you can definitely handle the process yourself, using a professional service like Taylor Brands just makes everything so much simpler. And here's how it works. You'll visit their website, answer a few basic questions about your business, and then they'll take care of all the complicated stuff. They'll prepare and file your articles of organization, provide you with a registered agent service, which Michigan law requires, and even help you with additional essentials like your operating agreement and EIN. What makes Taylor Brands particularly great is their user-friendly platform and comprehensive support. They've streamlined the whole process so you can focus on actually building your business instead of getting caught up in the paperwork. Plus, they offer ongoing compliance support to help keep your LLC in good standing. Oh, and if you use my link below, you'll even get a discount. Now, on the other hand, if you're more of a hands-on person and want to handle the formation yourself, here's how to do it. First things first, you'll need to pick a unique name for your LLC. The name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or similar variations. And you can check name availability through the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs website. Next, you'll need to select a registered agent. This is pretty important because you need a registered agent who can accept legal documents on behalf of your business. This can be yourself, another individual, or a professional service, but they must have a physical Michigan address and be available during regular business hours. Next, you'll need to file your articles of organization. This is where things get official. The filing fee is $50, and you can submit either online through the Michigan Corporation's online filing system or by mail. You'll need to provide information like your LLC's name, registered agent details, and whether the LLC will be managed by members or managers. Next, you'll need to create an operating agreement. Now, while Michigan doesn't legally require an operating agreement, you should definitely have one because this document outlines how your LLC will be run, including ownership percentages, member responsibilities, and decision-making processes. The next step is to get your EIN, which is an employer identification number. You can get this from the IRS website. It's free and can be done online in just a few minutes. An EIN is basically like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to hire employees and for taxes. Once you've done that, you're pretty much ready to go. However, there are some additional things you'll need to handle. Depending on your business type, you might need specific licenses or permits. It's worth checking with both state and local authorities to make sure you're fully compliant. Now let's quickly talk about which method might work best for you. Using Taylor Brands is definitely the most straightforward option. They'll handle all the paperwork, ensure everything's filed correctly, and provide ongoing support. Honestly, this can be especially valuable if you're new to business formation and just want to save yourself a bunch of time and stress. However, if you're comfortable with handling government forms and don't mind doing some research, the DIY approach might be best for you. The main thing is making sure everything's done properly to protect your business from the start. So if you're ready to get started with your Michigan LLC and you do want professionals to handle everything for you, I've included a link to Taylor Brands in the description below. They're there to help you get everything set up quickly and correctly. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips and LLC formation guides. If you have any questions about forming an LLC in Michigan, just drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your new business venture.